Good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm currently working as a college instructor or lecturer teaching general education subject in Batangas State University, Alangilan campus, in which I belong to EIM department. So now the first semester is over and I just want to formally end my lectures in the subject Understanding the Self for this year 2020. So, thank you for listening. Most especially to my student on this semester. They are ECE and ICE student, all engineering students. Still, I'm going to upload a quality content video lessons for free, but different subject next year on next semester. So, and that is based on the subject that will be assigned to me. For the next 2 years, I'm planning to concentrate or focus lecturing about different subject in psychology. Okay, so in general, my YouTube channel is all about psychology, philosophy, life lesson, spirituality, and related topics. For the meantime, I may also consider uploading a video of my talents like singing, drawing, solving hard puzzle, etc. Okay, so I never ask anyone to like or subscribe to my YouTube channel. But if you find my YouTube videos content helpful and inspiring and interesting, then you can subscribe and stay tuned for more upcoming videos. So thank you and Happy New Year.